Hey, where's the intro? Where's the coloring page, the book? Hi, guys. I'm just practicing with some new software, and I just picked up some interesting clips and I'm putting it together. This is kind of like a practice that I'm going to share with you. I was doing a little bit of paint pouring in here. I used this clip because the picture came out pretty cool looking. Uh, Paint pouring is another one of my hobbies. It's a lot of fun to do. You never know what you're going to get. And I'll do a paint pour like once a week like this. I've been practicing with some new paints and stuff over the last week. This one came out really good. I'm going to add some new colors. The end of this video gets a little funny. I also brought in some new resin, and I had a little science experiment going on, which I didn't know about. Apparently, the resin that I bought did not say you can't use acrylic paint, and I normally do use acrylic paint in my resin work. And I had a resin piece go sour on me, so I included that as a what not to do in as far as crafts is read the directions. It helps. Yeah, so this came out with the blue. I love the way it kind of looked like half cactus, half water. And I do these, I'm trying to fill the top border of my craft room with these colorful round disc pictures. So this is just a couple of them. Here's another one I added silicone to. The torch actually helps bring out those cells. This one was a little bit boring, um, but here comes the acrylic paint. I will be back really soon with another coloring video, and I may start adding some paint pours and some resin onto my channel. I haven't made up my mind yet. I'm going to see how I do with this new recording video. So I will be back in a couple of days with another video, and if you like what I do on my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for your notifications. Take care.